The full form of FIR, First Information Report.
The full form of NCERT is National Council of Educational Research and Training. PRO, Public Relation Officer. The full form of IAS is Indian Administrative Service.
IIT, Indian Institute of Technology.
www, World Wide Web. The full form of IAS, Indian Administrative Service. Full form of GPO, General Post Office.
Research and Analysis Wing. Thank you.
PO General Post Office.
The full form of UPSC is Union Public Service Commission.
The full form of Indian Institute of Technology.
Full form of STD, Subscriber Trunk Diary.
Full of ICS, Indian Police Service. The full form of LPG, Liquefied Petroleum Gas.
RBI, Reserve Bank of India.
WWF, World Wildlife Fund.
Full form of CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation.
IPS Indian Police Service.
The full form of NDA is National Defense